hello!
Hello! We are making a baking video!
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. Then you'll have a cake.
So we're making gluten-free cake because my mom is gluten-free.
Yeah,
And
we're gonna stir at the spoon.
it was just Yule. So we're making sun cakes because that's what you do.
Yeah, and we're gonna stir at the spoon in a while.
Also, I don't know how to bake or cook or do anything, but I have
we're not
coffee
cooking anymore.
and we have Christmas music
Yep.
and we have you.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And we're gonna stir at the spoon.
We're gonna stir up the spoon. Yeah. So first we have to preheat the oven.
Well, we just stir at the spoon for a while.
I don't know where the pans are.
Yeah. Well.
Here's a big bowl. We've reached a dilemma. So Neve, we're gonna come back a little more prepared, aren't we? Because we can't find the cake pan and I don't have all the ingredients out. Okay?
Yeah, we just have a spoon a little while. Wah, ah, 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 ah. Wah, ah, 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 ah. Bah, ah.
Okay, so now we gotta pour it in.
Boy. Goody.
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Bye-bye cake.
Okay, Neve, the cake is ready.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. The cake is done away.
Yeah, the cake's done. Can you put those back?
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's got like stuff in it. Huh. Weird. Ta-da! Now we gotta let it cool. Oops. Here are our gingerbread houses.
Ooh.
My older sister and Neve made that one. My mom made this one, and Erin and I tried to do these. Actually, Erin basically did them because I crushed mine because I got frustrated with it. It has a lot. So you can see it. There we go. Mom, look, I'm a YouTuber now. Explain what this is. Oh,
It's a cake with holes.
I made this.
It's a gluten-free, we call it a sun cake. The tradition of the sun cake is we make this on the solstice, which was yesterday, but that's okay. Technically, today is the first day of the sun coming back to us. So yesterday was the shortest day of the year.
Hell yeah.
We celebrate the sun is going to stay out longer and longer, so it gets warmer and warmer, which means that we will have food again.
It's a pagan holiday.
Do you have any tea to spill?
What? Oh, I do have some tea.
Tell us some tea.
I went into work and everything wasn't done, so I'm a little tired because I had a lot of work to do. It's gonna be a rainbow sun cake this year. It's usually yellow or
But
white.
the lemon icing was
It's okay.
messed up. After this, Erin and I are going to a basketball game. That's where we're going.
Because that's not where you're really going. That's why
Yes,
you're
it
not.
is.
Then you're putting it in. Are there going to be boys from other schools?
I mean, it's the boys' basketball team, so I would hope so.
What do you want for Christmas, Lorie?
I wanted. Oh, I don't really remember. Okay.
Thank God.
I think I wanted like clothes. I wanted.
I don't look nice on Christmas.
Well, you better. My sister's in college. She is striving. Oh, I got it.
I need you. Oh,
I'm not gonna wear this. It's fine.
well, you only made a 1-layer cake.
Okay,
Listen.
Don't wake up. Ew.
cake decorating business is. Oh,
This needs to be rinsed under hot water.
okay.
I think it's running out. Fifi, got that? Look, got that?
What?
What? Like how it tastes.
Oh my god. Say escape!
Nope.
It's not coming out.
That's what.
She said.
That's what he said.
You need this?
Come on, Lorie. When does this expire? Let me taste this glitter gel. This just tastes like sugar.
Gluten free, huh? Okay.
Mhm.
Oh! Mom. Oh, but that's not that bad. I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Share any of your solstice memories with the crew out there.
One time, she put candles on my head. I did. We'll insert a picture.
Look how beautiful Lorie is in this picture. Should we put a smile face?
I'll do it. I'll just
Kind of jealous because I'm doing the cake.
We'll write sun.
Why?
Look. This is what it's looking like right now. Thank you.
Hmm?
Now what?
This. So let's highlight.
Oh yeah, that's the one.
That's the one. It's the sun cake.
Cake.
You made a sun cake. Sun cake. It's cake. Yeah, I'm gonna do like a cooking show. No. Lala.
Not.
It's like got sun pimples.
You got some pimples.
It's got some whiteheads.
That's enough of that.
Are you gonna do any more? Like nicely?
Mr. Sun. Sun. Mr. Golden Sun. Ew.
No. Oh. I need an adult beverage.
Say, we're back.
Go back.
And we're making. And we're making. What are we making?
Hot dog.
No, it's not a how about. We're making brownies.
Brownies.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw. We're
So-
making brownies, yeehaw.
We gotta go
Ooh.
fast.
Brownies. I love brownies every.
We love brownies every day.
Yeah. B-I-N-G-O.
Oh, you're right.
Think what's his name now?
Okay, we've got our bowl of mix. Girl, you need to be quiet. Mix the water, the oil, so we need half a cup of oil. What's his name? Oh, we're getting our vegetable oil.
Oh, McDonald Holla Farm.
Pouring it in.
And the old McDonald.
Here, can I see that? We need 3 tablespoons of water
Brownies.
and 2 huevos.
Rainbows.
Sound good?
Nut.
Now I'm gone. And on that farm there was a pig. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. A moo everywhere, everywhere a moo moo. No show! Ha ha. Alright, next.
Okay, with a boo.
Yeah, I agree.
La la. Ooh, got the beta. Got that.
On flex, but okay. Alright, let me do most of it and then you can, okay?
Okay. Ooh, is this like chocolate milk?
Oh my god, it's getting so thick.
I think it's not good.
Oh, you're doing amazing.
Cookie.
Yeah.
Ooh, chocolate.
Okay.
Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. Your arm is happy.
My arm's happy?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we've got this.
It's ready.
Ready to pour.
Pour, 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 pour.
Yes, girl. Have you told anyone what your name is?
I can't see.
What's your name? Tell everyone. Oh my god, we're getting brownie everywhere.
Sally.
What's your name?
Neve.
There you go. Her name's Neve.
Christmas. We good. Get out of the
Done.
Chuck.
Brownies. Do
Brownies.
they look good, Neve?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Alright.
Never use a method recipe. The trick will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have
Down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Shut that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up.